Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a seller account on Fiverr and earn money online. You simply have to go to fiverr.com and click on join. I will click on continue with Google. You will get an automated ID, but you can change it if you want, then click on join. So this is your Fiverr homepage. You can see the most popular gigs on your homepage. In this video, I will show you that how you can create your own gig. But before that, we will create our profile. To go to your profile, click on this blue user ID icon on the top right corner. Tap on profile. So here we are going to edit our Fiverr profile. On the left hand side, click on the edit icon under your username and add your bio in one line. Click on update. Scroll down in the description part, add your hobbies, expertise, and skills. You can either type it or you can paste it from Notepad or Word document. In the languages section, add all the languages you know. Select the language level. You can edit the language level at any time you want. In linked accounts, you can link Facebook, Twitter, or any social media platform with Fiverr. Now it's time to add your skill. Add your skill and select the experience level. You can add as many skills as you want. Just remember, only add those skills that you are good at. In the education part, add your education. Select your country and your degree. In the certification part, add your certifications. Here you go, your Fiverr profile is ready now. Now it's time to create your gig. On the overview part, give a title to your gig. Include keywords that buyer would likely use to search for a service like yours. For now, I am creating a gig for social media manager. Choose the category and subcategory most suitable for your gig. Select a service type. Scroll down and select the primary platforms that you support. Select the industries that you specialize in. You can select up to 5 industries. The options on this page will be different if you create a different gig. Just read out each option carefully and make your selections. You will also get tips on your right-hand side panel, so creating a gig will not be hard for you. Now enter positive keywords that are relevant to the services you offer. You can add up to 5 tags. Click on Save and Continue. Now, fill in the pricing section. You can even offer packages if you want to. Name your packages, add few details of your offerings, add delivery time. Check each option carefully. Finally, enter your price. You can even add extra services and then click on Save and Continue. Now we have to complete our description part. Explain your gig, describe what you are offering. I have already made my description on Word document. I will now copy it and paste it there in the description box. You can add maximum 1200 characters. Scroll down and add milestone workflow and milestone payments if you want to. You can even add questions and answers for your buyers in FAQ part. Then tap on Save and Continue. In the requirements section, get all the information you need from buyers to get started. You can add your questions by clicking on Add a new question. You can get the answer in form of text, multiple choice or attachment. Then click on Add and tap on Save and Continue. In the gallery section, showcase your services. You can add video, images, and documents to encourage your buyers to choose your gig. I am adding 2 images. I have made these images in Canva. If you want to learn Canva, you can find the link of the tutorial in the description box. You can even add documents to show your best work. Tap on Save and Continue. You are almost there. Complete following requirements to start selling. First, you have to take English skills test. Second, you have to fill out form W9 if you are a US person. If you are not a US person, select No. Click on Save. Tap on Verify Now. Enter your country and phone number to verify. Select your option for verification. Code will be sent to you. Enter the verification code. Add your security question. Click on Take Test. Check the test syllabus and instructions. Read out the instructions carefully. Test will be of 40 minutes duration. Click on Start Test to start the test. You need to answer at least 70% of the questions correctly. After taking the test, tap on Back on Fiverr.com. You are almost there. Now click on Publish Gig. Your gig is open for business. You can share this link on social media platform to boost your sales. Click on Done. Great, your first gig is complete. If you want to create a new gig, simply click on Create a New Gig. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.